everyone. It's Thursday. Let's do our exercise. But remember, we're gonna warm up first. Let's do our neck. Front and back. Front and back. Side to side. Side to side. Do it 5 times. Now let's do our shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget your arms. Big circles. 5 times. And backwards. Another 5 times. Now let's do our knees. High knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see how high you can do it. Now our exercise for today is crisscross. Stand up at the end of the jump rope and start jumping crisscross. If you can, more than 5 times. Let's see how many I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Count yours. See how many you can do it. Bye. See you tomorrow.